Yes, that's right. It's a Saturday. I really want to find something good. I haven't been able to go out much during the week, and I'm hoping I find some awesome steals, even though the stores are going to be pretty picked over right now. All right, it was busy in there, so I didn't put my camera on at all. I really wanted to get some action in there, but I did spend $24 to find some good stuff. I found this DVD set, Face to Face, Shoot the Moon. Bought it for $1. Comps right now, items that are up are at like 60 and 80 bucks, but the ones that have sold are like 20 bucks. But the only ones that are listed are 60 to 80, so I'll probably put it at 50 and see how it goes. Sims 2 Double Deluxe. This one usually does really well for me. I sell it within like a week, usually for like $15 to $17. I got season 1 and 2 of The Cosby Show. These should go, I don't know, I'll probably put it for like 20 bucks for them. They're sealed still. And then Family Game Night 3. I haven't checked the recent prices on this, but this one I usually would sell for like 17 bucks-ish, somewhere around that. Just got random people walking around, I don't know. I got this Nyko charging station for the Wii. Looks like it should go for about 30 to 40 bucks on eBay. It's brand new, 20% off, $7.49, so about $6 there. I didn't check Amazon, so I'll see what Amazon is doing on that as well. Maybe I'll get a little more there. Cool hit I had was this Sony Handycam here, the DCR-HC26. Got it for, it'll be 10 bucks after all my discounts. And this one, even if it's just parts, is going like $40 to $50. I have a charging cable at home, or actually I think I may have one of these on order for this kind of like micro DC for the Sonys. But if it does work, it's going to go for like $100 to $120. So those are the finds from store number 1. Let me go to the next one and see what we find. All right, stop 2. I spent $11 total. I got Beachbody T25 Focus. That's just for some extra discs. I got Dragon Age 2 for Xbox 360. That was $3. That should go for about like 13 to 15. I found this National Geographic Wild Animals DVD set for $3. It looks like I get 32 to 35 for it. I grabbed Destruction Derby 2 for the PlayStation 1. This was only $1. It will go for like $10, but I wanted to play it, and if I sell it, I'll put it in a lot with probably like 30 other PS1 games. Then I found this CorelDRAW X3 Graphics Suite software. This one has the serial number in it, has all the discs. There's none listed, but 3 have sold for about 50 bucks. And so I'm going to list it at around 50 bucks, maybe a little more, and see how it goes. So that was a great score right there.
All right, here I wanted to point out a bootleg set. If you look at the back, there's barely any details about it. There's nothing about region codes. Go on the inside, look how plain that is. There's definitely going to be no DVDs like that. It has no information, not where it's produced, where it's supposed to be sold.
Now, as you can see from my previous video, those were definitely bootleg DVDs that I found in there. Just not good at all. So from this store, I got PS2 controller. This was $2.49. This will go in a bundle that I'll be making. Got Moody Blues DVD for $1. I think I could get $15. This one is mint. And then I got this Passing the Bar. It's an expansion pack, 450 questions to the Passing the Bar game. This one's sealed, got for $6.49, and I think I could get 45 to 50 for this one shipped. So pretty good for just about 15 minutes in a store. Let me go to the next one. So this last store, I just got 2 items. I got this DVD set, season 3 here. That should go for about $25 used. And I got this Yankees Dominoes tin. That was what, $3.49, and these are kind of all over the place, but no one is selling it right now new. And it looks like one had just recently sold for like 30 bucks, but I've seen some others for 17. So I'm putting mine at like 30, and I'm going to see how it goes. All right, I am absolutely giddy after this last store that I went to. The guy had just been putting out stuff. Someone was standing at one of the shelves and was looking at this. He actually called up his son, asked him if he needed any of it, and he passed on it. And thankfully he did, because I spent $32 altogether on 4 items. And here's the first one. The Canon FTB QL. It comes with it's got some weird attachments I gotta get rid of. They got some garbage in here that will be going away. But it's got the 50 millimeter lens on it. I also got the 135 lens as well. So I should be able to put those two together for, let's say 100, maybe 120. And that is for $20 investment right there. Actually, no, that would be for a $16 investment on those. Now I spent another 16 bucks together, and I'll sell these separate, but the first one is this Voigtlander. It's a German lens, and it is in mint condition. It is really nice, and this one should go for about 80 bucks, $90. Very nice. Then I also found this Voigtlander box of filters. I looked up these filters, and each of them are going for like 30 bucks each, and there's 4 of them in there. So that's another 120 bucks right there. So I'll probably just sell the box of them for the 120. Maybe I'll put it at 150 and see how it goes. But altogether, that is what, 150 plus 80, so let's say 230, maybe 250 altogether for everything. $32 to $250. That was an awesome score. I'm going to keep going because my luck just seems to be getting a little bit better every time. Hopefully I find another score or two before the day is over. All right, just had a super quick in and out. This place was full of resellers. Like, people had carts of stuff. I just must have missed it. I saw a person with a Wii walking out, a guy that had a bunch of looked like kids books or something, and another person with a bunch of toys. So looked like a bunch of resellers, but they did leave me some good stuff. I found this Dutch oven DVD that should go for about 15 to 20. I found 2 demo discs of Shadow of the Colossus. I'm actually going to save these until I get new copies of Shadow of the Colossus. I'm going to just pair it up and just bring that value up on there. And then I found this Toshiba combo unit. This one was what, $6.49, and it should go for about 100 to 110 shipped. All right, just spent $6, quick in and out. I think I was in there like 15 minutes. Found this Tracy Anderson DVD set. Looks like it goes for about 35 bucks used. This was an awesome find here. Goosebumps VHS. There were 3 of them, but this was the only one that was worth anything. This one's worth about $30. Found this PBS Easy Yoga DVD for arthritis. Anytime you see like yoga for arthritis or any type of workouts for arthritis, look it up. This will go for about $15 new. And then I found this over-the-shoulder training DVD. I don't know if it's like for stocks or something like that. Yeah, something about Wall Street's biggest, darkest secrets. This goes for about $40 to $50. Who knew? Who knew? All right, let's go to the next one. All right, it's getting too dark out here. I'm going to show you my last store grab when I get home, and then I'm going to show you just like a little bit of an overview of all of my haul, just so you can see what about 5 hours of thrifting does on a Saturday here in Phoenix. This is after everyone had already gone out, and so I'm just getting a lot of the leftovers when it comes to the pickings. All right, I'm back home. I'm going to show you my last items I got from the last store yesterday. I got this Genesis History Bible Study DVD. It's still sealed, but it's beat up in the case. I should get 20 for that. I got 3 mitts. I got 2 catcher's gloves and 1 first base mitt. These should go for $40 to $50 each. And then here's everything from yesterday. I'm going to just scan over everything for you. There's the cameras. There's the Sony. There's the Nikon station. I'm going to actually ship to FBA based on the prices that I have seen out there. There's the bar exam game, Dominoes, Goosebumps, the controller, all the other games and DVDs that I got. I total all this up and it should be around $1,100 once it all sells. So those were all the finds I had yesterday. Over $1,100 worth of product that I found. Thank you guys for coming and join me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye.